This video I'm going to talk about how you guys can promote affiliate product to Facebook, to traffic source Google, Bing ads, or any traffic source that you guys experience with. The most important things is you need to be um, focusing on provide value for those audience that they wants to purchase that product or the service that they need. So um, today's focus is not about just making sales. The things just going fast these days. Everybody is just looking to make sales, but the most important things is not uh, about to getting sales, because once you get the sales, you just you know it's gonna be like your mindset gonna be just looking for more sales, and it does not gonna work like this for those people that they are trying to make sales. It's not going to work. So I'm going to give you the mindset that how you can promote and how you can earn commission online, just focusing on provide value for your customers. So the most important thing is provide value for your customers. What I'm going to show you today is the clickbank affiliate program. Is one of the best affiliate program, um, and you guys can start promoting the product from this program. So what you're gonna do is just you guys gonna um, you know sign up for affiliate program, and you can promote the product or service from affiliate clickbank affiliate program. Once you sign up, I put the link in the description below. You guys can sign up. You guys can uh, choose some plans if you're interested to learn more about the clickbank. And once you sign up, you guys can start promoting that product. What you're gonna do is you just sign up first and going to marketplace. So once you get to the marketplace, you guys look for what product or service you have experience with, and if you have experience with any niche that you are very interesting to provide value for the customer. As I said, you need to focusing on provide value for your customers. That's the main goals for your online commission. So I'm interested for business and marketing, because this niche gives me so much opportunity that I can help so many other marketers and many people that they want to earn commission online, and they can go purchase this service, these courses, and whatever niche that you guys can look up the website that you guys can maybe interesting for some website that you want to promote. And once you get to this um, niche, you're going to start from gravity, because gravity shows those sales that they are converting very well. And from first, you guys can choose the product. You can see it's the 5-minute profit. So it is one of the most converting product at the moment that you guys can promote that product. What you're gonna do is just click the promote, and for your reminder, you guys can choose or write the tracking ID for just reminder for your traffic source. What I'm gonna do is just put the random, like, click 24, for click 24. This is my tracking ID. So copy this link. I did copy this link. So close the window, and that's it. You guys can, promote this link to, for example, I have a Quora account here. I'm going to Quora account and just trying to find some answer from Quora, like what is the easy way to build website. Sure. So yep, guys, just looking for question and answer here. This guy's asked, like, how can I become a fluent in English? No, this is not. What is the fastest way to learn how to create fluent? Is the website or app is easy to use? Free is better. Well, it's not free. What are some of the best ways to learn programming? What is the easiest way to make money online? Can answer this question, and just write the answer here. I'm very interesting for this affiliate program to make passive income. Right, and then you can paste your affiliate product here. What I can see is the product that I want to promote is 5-minute profit sites, and I'm going to submit. That's it. I've done this, and once the people come to join to see the answer for this question, they just reach out to this affiliate product, and once they sign up, I will earn commission. That's simple it is. As you can see, this is the product that I promote. So
congratulations, you qualified to watch.
That's how you can make commission on clickbank. That's very easy, guys. Take it simple, focusing on helping so many people that they want to earn commission online. If you want to promote the marketing, niche, so that your main focus must be trying to help those kind of people and build a group of audience or customers that they need your help. They need your product. If you guys interested for other niche, you guys simply can go to marketplace and looking for some other items like health and fitness. This is a health and fitness product. Guys can just go through, whatever. Just try to use the gravity, because gravity going to give you the exact first converting product in clickbank. And I prefer from 20 to $5 more, you will get good commission. And once you end this commission, the commission coming to your account, and you can uh, receive the commission every 2 weeks. That's simple, guys. Take it simple and start promoting those product that you are interested in. And just more important things is your mindset, that what you are focusing on. If you are focusing to make sales, it's not going to work all the time, because the most important things for earning a commission online is focusing to build the group of audience or customers they wants to purchase your product. And that's it, guys. every uh, every week I promote and show you some other tactics that you can use for your online business. You can use other affiliate program. I have so many affiliate other affiliate program that you guys can join my YouTube channel and watch them. And once you see the opportunity, you can use my strategy and earn commission. If you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget, your mindset is everything. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.